What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to bring you a quick unboxing of something that I am going to say is more of a broad category. These are keycaps from KBDFANS. These are the Cherry Profile PBT. These are the Photoshop edition keycaps. So they're just standard Cherry Profile PBT keycaps. I do use Photoshop from time to time, and I bought these mainly because they were only $33. So this will kind of get you an idea of what you'll get ordering from them. They have a ton of keycaps on their website, and I find they have the best variety. MechanoKeyboards.com also has a pretty good variety, but when it comes to actual selection, I find they have some of the better selections out there. So everything from there is usually shipped from, I think it's Thailand or China, but it came pretty quick, about 5 to 6 days, and the packaging is excellent. I actually bought my keyboard from there. So this is the, I think it's the Tofu 65% keyboard, and these are keycaps that I actually purchased there. But I want a little bit of variety because I may actually get a different keyboard, a little cheaper one down the line for doing some photo and video editing. So that's it. So it was around $33. I think it was like $12 for shipping. I don't think you get free shipping unless you spend close to $100 with them, which makes sense. Shipping from a different country to here does take a little bit of time. So the thing that I find with the KBDFANS keycaps is that they generally go in and out of stock fairly frequently, and a lot of their stuff actually is a group buy, so you have to watch that out there because you usually won't get it for a while, but it has all the information on the website, and it usually tells you a good idea of what they will cover. So if they cover 61, 65, 67, 80% for their Tofu line. I've had pretty good luck with them overall. They're pretty timely with their shipping. They do sell a lot of DIY kits also. If you're into something like that, if you want to build your own. Okay, keyboard. So here's what we got. These are just your standard Cherry MX. Nothing fancy. That's probably why they were fairly cheap, because they are just a standard Cherry MX PBT, which is a good feature. So basically you're going to have about every key you can actually want to install on anything. So you get an idea of what they look like here. So I'll probably mainly use it for Photoshop. So you see how it has the difference. Let's see if I can pop one of these out without making a mess. That one doesn't have anything on it. Let's see if that works. So the lettering looks really good, but it has, as you can see, different. I don't know if that will focus that much, but the quality seems pretty good. These will last forever. PBT they don't usually get any shine or anything on them. They're not for everyone. Some people like the ABS style, but I really prefer the PBT stuff. But it gets you an idea, so you have different. Basically, if you do control or function to get different controls there. So they're pretty light compared to, if you look at the ones here, I'm not going to take this off, but these are a little bit larger keycaps, so they have a little bit more curvature to them. I kind of prefer these a little bit better. I just think they look a little bit more stylish. These look like your general, just standard office keycaps, but that's kind of why I bought this, was mainly because I was going to start using this for a secondary keyboard just for video and photo editing. So I'm pretty happy with it, especially the packaging for what you get. I mean, it was only $30, so it wasn't $33.90. So it wasn't anything that was super expensive, but in the timeliness of it, 5-6 days for shipping right now with everything going on with COVID, everything's delayed. It takes a little bit longer just because the containment industry is kind of messed up, but I would highly recommend purchasing anything from them. This is the second thing I've got, and so far everything's came spotless. I haven't had any problems. I'm really happy with my keyboard, and I actually may order another one from them just because they actually lube their switches now. I don't have any interest in building a mechanical keyboard. I like a nice built mechanical keyboard, but it's not something I'm into, is just building it. I'd rather pay someone a little extra and have them do it. But that's it. They are out of stock at these, but they still have the Illustrator ones actually up if you want to buy those, but they probably will come back in stock. Their stuff gets stocked up pretty frequently. So that's it. Random video, not anything special. If you have any comments, questions, leave them below. Like this video if you like random stuff like this. And that's it, guys. See you guys next time.